Hi, music class. Okay, so for this week, you're going to be learning what a rest in music is, specifically the quarter rest. So you've already learned what a quarter note is, but now you're going to learn what a quarter rest is. So a rest is when we're quiet in music. So when we stop singing and when we stop playing. So a quarter note gets one beat. And when we see a quarter note, we say ta. So the same goes for a quarter rest. It also gets one beat, except for we don't play or sing for that one beat. So it's quiet. Now, when we're practicing this today, instead of being quiet, we're gonna say shh for one beat, just while we're getting used to what the quarter rest is. All right, let me share my screen and we will get started. Okay. So in our virtual classroom, you've already clicked on me in the little pumpkin costume over here to start the intro video. Next step is to watch the video on the quarter rest. So you're going to click right here on the TV for quarter rest and watch the full video. Next step is rhythm reading, and you're going to click on the books on the bookshelf down here. And you're going to clap and say along with the rhythms. It's the same one as last week. We're going to continue doing this one probably this week, maybe next week, and then we'll switch it up. Next step is to practice the rhythm worksheet number 1 on the bookshelf. Now you can either try playing this on the virtual piano or just saying or clapping the rhythms. For just this video, I'm just going to be saying them just to show you how we're going to be doing it. Okay, so I just want you guys to go at your own speed. Some of you guys might only want to do row 1. That might feel like a lot. Some of you might want to add on 2 and 3 and 4, and some of you might be fine with going all the way down and through line 6. So I'm going to do some of these with you real quick. So right here on line 6, you'll see that we have a half note. A half note we learned last week gets 2 beats. So when we see a half note, we say ta for 2 beats. Ta. Now here you'll see that we have a quarter rest, and you're going to learn all about this once you've watched the videos. So a quarter rest is going to get 1 beat. Now for today, we're going to say shh for that 1 beat, okay? Okay, so let's go up here to something a little bit easier. Okay, in 4A, we see a quarter note, a quarter rest, 2 eighth notes, and a quarter rest. Now, when we say this, we're going to say ta, sh, ti, sh. One more time, ta, sh, ti, sh. Now, usually you wouldn't say sh during the rest, but just while we're learning, we're going to add that in. Okay, for this one right here, 4B, we have 2 eighth notes, a quarter note, a quarter rest, and a quarter note. So we would say it like this, ti, ta, sh, ta. One more time, ti, ta, sh, ta. Okay, and if I was going to be playing it, I would do this. One more time. Ti, ta, sh, ta. Okay, so on to the next thing. You guys can go at your own speed with that last rhythm practice and just do what feels comfortable for you. And the last step, oh, no, not the last one. Number 5 is to do worksheet number 2 on the bookshelf. So we go down here, click worksheet number 2. Last week you practiced drawing quarter notes and half notes. This week you're going to practice drawing a single eighth note and a pair of eighth notes. So on this line right here, you'll practice drawing single eighth notes. This line down here, you're going to practice drawing the sets of eighth notes. And you'll see the difference is with a single eighth note, we have what's called a tail right here. So you'll draw it with a tail. In a set of eighth notes, when you have 2 eighth notes, you connect them with what's called a beam. Okay, so you'll do that worksheet. And then last but not least, we'll do our patriotic song. So you'll click on the radio right here and sing along with America the Beautiful. And you should only go to 58 seconds, but if you want to go further, that's fine. All right, and then don't forget to click on Bob down here. He's got a cute video for this week. And then if you want to do the freeze dance, you can click on Let's Play. And the music maker is up here on the keyboard poster. And I think that's it this week, guys. Have fun. Let's see, real quick, I needed to tell you about our live Zoom meetings for those of you that are enrolled in the class. We will not be having Zoom meetings until December. Okay, so next week are the classes on campus for some of you. So we're not doing, and we have a holiday. And then the next week is conference week, so we don't have Zoom. And then the following week is Thanksgiving break. So I will see you back to Zoom classes in December. All right, have a great time, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.